This is Quinton Lowe, CSC 110, Winter 2019 for Mr. Wellman. And this is the extra credit problem 5. So for this problem, I started by creating the hexagonal pattern, which is this section right here. So first I have this is the top line here, and I have this drawn twice so that the turtle returns to the point where it was originally starting, and this would be the middle line, and this is the last line in the very middle, and I have this one repeat 3 times so that the turtle goes to the other side of the hexagon, and the turtle turns around here so that it's facing in the right direction here. And the 3 hexagons, this function draws this one of these rows here, and it has a line in between each hexagon. And since this pattern ends with the turtle facing away from the hexagon, we can just draw the line right away and then repeat the pattern again. And this one isn't in the loop so that the line isn't drawn a 3rd time, because that would end up with a line right here that isn't connected to anything. And for the final pattern, the turtle draws the 3 hexagons pattern, and then it lifts the pen up and moves back to here, and then it draws 3 hexagons again. And this is repeated 3 times so that each time it's repeated, 2 of these rows is created. So then it'll draw 18 total hexagon patterns. These 2 move segments are different because the turtle doesn't move as far back here as it does when it moves from here to here. So yeah, each one of these is basically drawn as a unit, and then this is repeated again twice.